In this video, we are going to discover a Hunter.io alternative. To discover this alternative, go to the video description and click on the link which will redirect you to the LinkFinder AI website. Switch to the linkfinderi.com tab to continue. On the LinkFinder AI website, you can create an account for free by clicking on Start Free Trial. Click Find LinkedIn Profile URL to start finding LinkedIn profiles. Fill in the lead's full name, such as Sarah Johnson. Click on the company name field to specify the company. Fill in the company name, for example, Salesforce. Click Enrich Data to start enriching the lead's information. LinkFinder AI found the lead's LinkedIn profile URL, which we will use to find the emails and full LinkedIn data. Copy the lead's LinkedIn URL for further use. Click Select Data Type. Company name, company domain email address, LinkedIn company URL to choose the data type. Select LinkedIn profile URL for the input data type. Click Select Output Type, LinkedIn profile data phone number email address to choose the output type. Choose LinkedIn profile data as the output type for LinkedIn Scrap. Click Enter LinkedIn profile URL to input the profile URL. Fill in the LinkedIn profile URL that we copied. Click Enrich Data to enrich information using the LinkedIn profile URL. Click on Sarah M. Johnson, Senior Technical Architect at Salesforce Avon, United States of America, to select the lead profile. Let's switch to email finding. For that, change the output type to email address. Fill in the output type selection from the drop-down. Click Enrich Data to proceed with data enrichment. LinkFinder AI found the verified lead's email address from the LinkedIn profile URL. Click Select Data Type. Company name, company domain email address, LinkedIn company URL to select data type. Now let's do company enrichment. For that, switch input type to company name to start enriching company data. Click Select Output Type. Company website, company phone number, company, LinkedIn URL, company, email to choose output type. Fill in the output type selection with company LinkedIn URL to find the company LinkedIn that we will use for further enrichment. Click Enter Company Name to input the company name. Fill in the full company name, such as Microsoft. Click Enrich Data to enrich company information. Copy the company's LinkedIn page. Click Select Data Type. Company name, company domain email address, LinkedIn company URL to select data type. Fill in the data type selection from the drop-down options with LinkedIn company URL. Click Select Output Type. LinkedIn profile data employee count to choose output type. Select LinkedIn data for LinkedIn company scraping. Click Enter LinkedIn company URL to input the company URL. Fill in the LinkedIn company URL that we copied. Click Enrich Data to enrich company information using the LinkedIn URL. We can see that LinkFinder AI found the full data about Microsoft, including company location, number of employees, descriptions, and so on. Click Upload CSV Bulk to upload multiple company records. Click Drop your CSV file here, or click to upload CSV with LinkedIn company URL to upload your CSV file. Click Process 244 items to start processing the bulk data. Click here to export the result as a CSV file. Click API and MCP to access API and MCP integration options. LinkFinder AI has an MCP server that you can use to automate LinkedIn scraping and lead enrichment task in Claude or ChatGPT. Click here to copy your MCP server URL for integration. Click View API Docs to access the API documentation. Click B2B Data Lookup to explore Data Lookup API endpoints. Click Post LinkedIn Profile to Email. Sync. Find a person's professional email address from their LinkedIn profile URL 1 credit to view API details. Click Company Enrichment to view Company Enrichment API options. Click Post Company Name to Website Sync. Find a company's official website from its name 1 credit to view API details.